Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for tuning in to the Lonely Monk's Kitchen. This is your boy Mikey, aka The Lonely Monk. You are watching a special episode today because this is what we call the half-baked edition, where I'm kinda high at the moment. But I digress. Today I will be teaching everyone how to make another soup. This time chicken, and it's gonna be a great source of protein and very simple to make. And also a great way of keeping some broth at home if you want to make some instant noodles or want to use it as a soup base for either hot pot or other things as well. Right, let's go check out what we're working with today. Hey guys, so we've just welcome back. We're going to the tasting section of the soup of this High Times edition of Lonely Monk's Kitchen, and with us we have once again our prestigious guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, Puzzle.
What's up? And I found the pork right there.
Yeah,
that big piece of pork. That's juicy stuff. That's juicy stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna taste the soup. High Times edition. Is he still filming? Oh man.
Yeah, okay, you can do all the cuts and stuff.
It's hot. Yeah, I want you guys to see the texture of this soup. It's very light. You see that? You see that? See the waterfall. The consistency in the soup is it's very important. Right, here we go. Yeah, very light soup. It's not too salty. It's very light soup. It tastes very healthy. Has a healthy taste. The medicine taste. Like a healthy chicken medicine taste. And then it's good. It's good. It's good.
you heard it from the man. Anything tastes good as long as you're high as shit.
Oh shit.
Hey guys, that's all the time we have for today here at the Lonely Monk's Kitchen, but I hope everyone had a great time learning how to make a chicken soup. So don't forget to like the video and rate it, and if you have any comments for us about how to make our videos better or what kind of recipes you want to see in the future, let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to the Lonely Monk's Kitchen here on YouTube. See you guys soon. Peace out.